Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of October 3rd, 2021. Despite a rocky September, we closed the month of September with a high volatility in the final days of trading. The S&P 500 managed to gain for the quarter. According to the stock trader almanac, September is when leaves and stock tend to fall on the Wall Street. It is the worst month for the stock market. This year, September put the S&P 500 were down just under 5% for the month, making its worst monthly performance since March 2020, and it raised again it made in July and August. And the volatility index and the 10-year Treasury note, it also continued to rise. That pulled down all the technology and semiconductor stock, but it's finally cooled up on Friday. All the markets be able to find a support and rebound to the upside on the first day of October. From a historical perspective, there is a reason to hope that October may offer a more constructive environment than September. While many investors have a decidedly negative outlook on the September, they tend to have more of the mixed view of the October. But don't forget some of the largest one-day market declines, including the Black Monday happened in 1987 and the Black Tuesday in 1929. It also occurred in October. However, the S&P 500 had more double-digit gains in October than it had a double-digit loss since 1950. In fact, the October is often referred to as a bear killer, as we are hoping for. So the strong bound on Friday, this is a good sign for the stock market heading to the final quarter of 2021. But we need more follow-through to confirm the uptrend again. The volatility of the oil price, it also pushed the energy stock, which have been the best performing sector in the S&P 500 to the third quarters of the year. We are heading to the final set of the year. We will continue to monitor closely for any shift in the market landscape. Domestic equities and the commodities remain the first and the second shopping list to watch. We also look at the financial sector if the infrastructure bill will pass in October. Another good news is on Friday, Merck, the biotech company, if they can come out with the pill rather than the vaccine to take care of the coronavirus, that will be a good news for the airline, travel, entertainment, and hospitality like hotel, casino. Now let's take a look on the major indices so that we can see how they look like. Then I will show you 5 potential stocks to buy in October. So first of all, if you look at the E-mini S&P 500 chart, you can see that they do it very similar to last year September. They put it down, they come back up, and they slam it down, and then they have a strong support here, and then they bow back up on a Friday. But on the way up, we do have a downtrend line resistance here. So in order to turn it to positive side, the market needs to punch to that resistance line here and continue to the upside. So let's see next week the market will be able to follow through and continue to put it up to the upside. If you look at the Nasdaq, which is the technology stock, they also found a support on the video that I showed you on last Thursday. So they hold the support, they bow back up, but they need to continue to put it back up. We still have a downtrend line here. So let's see that how far they can put it back up, and then we can go step by step, day by day, to see the market be able to gain momentum for the remaining quarter. But you remember last year on September, they put it back up, they slam again before they be able to hold up and continue. So let's see this year that how the market they're going to do, and we'll monitor and let you know. If you look at the Dow it also found a strong support here, and they bow back up. It's very similar to the EF. So they need to come back up, and they still have a downtrend line here, and they need to clear that area here in order to continue to the upside. If you look at the Russell 2000, they also found support and then put it back up. But the overall trend of the Russell 2000 is still sideways between the buy zone and the sell zone here. So they need more work to do in order to punch through this sell zone here and continue for the new bull cycle if they're able to do that. If you look at the crude oil, it also rambled to the upside. They have been continue to put it high, low. So they test this level here, they put back down, but seem like the demand is still strong. But if the airline and travel be able to pick it up, and they will have more demand on the oil. So let's see they be able to break this level here and continue to the upside next week. Gold it also tried to put it back, but the overall trend is still negative. But in the short term, they try to come back and test the downtrend line here. In order to go higher, they have to break this level to go up here, but momentum is still kind of bearish right now. And if you are looking to the Bitcoin, like I told you in the last week, the market it put back down right into the buy zone. So the buyer step back in, and now they break the downtrend line and continue to put it back up. So this one is pretty strong and look very strong, as well as the Ethereum also. They go right to the buy zone, they get out and continue to break through this level to the upside. Okay, so sooner or later, I think they have to accept Bitcoin, so that will be a potential for more room for the Bitcoin to move in the future. So if you look at the volatility index, you also see that last week they put it back up right into the sell zone, and people slam it again. So this is potential that the people they get out of the fear mode. So we still have a big gap here to fill. So the wicket continue to put it up to fill up the gap here, and that will have a technology stock to rebound, and then we will see when they get back to fill up the gap here and what are they going to do. So we will monitor carefully to see how the crowd outside thinking compared to the market, and then we will go from there. And if you look at the 10-year Treasury note, it also put it back up right into the resistance, and then they slam it down like I told you. So that's why the market, they found support and put it back up. So if the 10-year Treasury note going down, they also have a technology stock to bow back up also. Okay, and if you look at the all of the stock in the defense stock like Apple, okay, they also try to hold on to the support, and the Google also fire support. They fill up the gap here, fire support and rebound. And you can see here Microsoft, those strong fan stock, they are doing very well. FLX, they also very strong stock, and then continue to put it up to the upside. So as you know that the trading is a very risky business. It's not a get-rich scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't know technical analysis and understand the market psychology, and without a proper risk management, then for sure you are at risk. The expert trader course offered by Stock Navigator will teach you the right education to fit your trading objective to be a successful trader or investor. We train, mentor, and empower thousands of our students to operate 100% independently to navigate the market with the confidence. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight. So we will mentor and support you every day on our live Q&A with multiple instructors until you are successful. And we will guide you in our live 24-hour Discord community so that you can get support by our strong community with thousands of members willing to share their ideas and support new members so that you can follow along. This is the only way that you can build your own financial freedom and take care of your financial future. And here is the 5 stock that have a strong potential to move to the month of October. So I would like to show you here. So you take a look and put into your watch list to see how they are doing. The first one is Apple. Okay, so this stock is very strong. Okay, and I want to show you APP. Okay, so Apple, that's the first one. So after they hit the top here, then they pull back down, but they go right into the support. And next week, if they can continue to go up, so they have a potential to put it up to the upside. Okay. The next one is, so this is one of the technology stocks that I would like to show you. So because if the interest rate, the yield is going down, they will have a technology. So Apple, one of the strong one in the SP 500, they will find a way to put it back up first. Now, talking about the good news on the vaccine pill from Merck, that one will make the people feel better. So you see that a lot of hotel and it will going up. So I just pick up one of them, like VAC, that's the Marriott Vacation Worldwide. So this one here, after they coming down, now they have a strong moving back on a Friday. So the momentum, so they'll be able to clear the downtrend line. The momentum shift to the upside, and they have more potential to roll. The next one is, let me show you here. The next one is the Airbnb. Okay, Airbnb. So this one here is when the people will be able to travel more, and then they would need more place to stay. So Airbnb will continue to put it back up, and then they still have room to put it up to the month of October. And they also have the entertainment casino stock, like CZR, okay, that's Shisha Entertainment Corporation. So this one here, it after they come back down, they reset the support, they bounce back up. Now they be able to back up the high here, and with a strong momentum to the upside. So this stock still have a lot more room to grow. And in order to spend all the money for the vacation, the place to stay, enjoy in casino, they need to using the Visa MasterCard. So I'll pick up the MasterCard here. So the MasterCard here, it have been pulled back now. So they found a support at this level here. Now they continue to put it back up. If they can clear this resistance here, this one here will be high demand in the future. Okay, so that's a 5 stock that have strong potential to move in the month of October. So put in your watch list and let's see how they are laid out. Beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watch List, where we will handpick the best stock every week and analyze them in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. I will see you during the week. Take care, everyone.